Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Jess.
And I'm Luciano.
From You Speak Portuguese. Today we're going to teach you 5 vocab words for the kitchen.
Yes, but before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next video.
Hey everyone, welcome back and welcome to our kitchen. Today we're going to teach you 5 basic vocab words for tableware.
Yes, and if you missed the previous videos building on this lesson, we're going to leave the links right down below, so make sure to go there and check that out.
Alright, so to start, I'm going to speak the English part and Luciano the Portuguese part, and we're going to bounce back and forth between English and Portuguese. So to just familiarize yourself with the new vocabulary, listen and learn. First, we're going to start with fork.
Garfo. Garfo. Garfo.
Knife.
Faca. Faca. Faca.
Spoon.
Colher. Colher. Colher.
Plate.
Prato. Prato. Prato.
Cup.
Copo. Copo. Copo.
Let's do it again. Fork.
Garfo. Garfo.
Knife.
Faca. Faca.
Spoon.
Colher. Colher.
Plate.
Prato. Prato.
Cup.
Copo. Copo. One more time.
Fork.
Garfo.
Knife.
Faca.
Spoon.
Colher.
Plate.
Prato.
Cup.
Copo.
So I'd like to point out a couple things. As an English speaker, the word spoon,
Colher.
that LH sound is a little tricky with Portuguese, and the word plate
Prato.
with the PR is also a tricky sound. So make sure to listen carefully when Luciano repeats the word. Great, so now Luciano's going to say it on his own and give you a little time after to repeat.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna give you about 3 seconds to repeat. Don't be shy if there's someone around you, just say it, alright? That's the way to learn. So, garfo. Faca. Colher. Prato. Copo. Alright, I'm gonna do one more time, so listen and repeat. Garfo. Faca. Colher. Prato. Copo. Do one more time, faster now. Garfo. Faca. Colher. Prato. Copo.
Awesome job, everyone. You just learned 5 new vocab words in Portuguese. Make sure to watch this video as many times as you need until you feel comfortable.
Yeah, congratulations everybody. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and if you have any questions, just leave right down below. And we'll see you in the next video. Ciao!
Bye! Spoon.
Copo.
You say cup. Spoon.
I say cup.
Yeah, you said Copo. Let's wait for the mailman to go by.
Okay.
He's loud.
Uh-huh.
You just learned 5 new vocab words in Portuguese. Make sure to watch this video. I lost it. The words just escaped from me. They ran away. Awesome job, everyone. I got that down. Okay. Awesome.
Wait. Okay.
Awesome job, everyone. You just learned 5 new vocab words in Portuguese today. Make sure what?
I just still laughing.
Oh, okay, good.